Not long after surgery, I developed skin irritation from my appliances. It's quite itchy and sore. It's not nice to have because it becomes your main focus, but there's not a lot you can do about it, or you don't think you can. I was very lucky that my stoma nurse was there to help me. I got in touch with her and said, look, this isn't working for me, and she introduced me to the Eakin Cohesive Slim Seal. It's just been amazing for me. I can mould it to whatever shape I want around the stoma. It fits really well and it sticks really well, so that the bag can then go on top. You feel really confident with it, so you're able to go about your normal business, go to work, socialise, and not have any fear of leaking. This is why the Eakin Cohesive Slim Seal will always be the seal for me every day.